Alright, in our second lesson we're going to just take a little bit of a closer look at conjectures and some of the pitfalls in using inductive reasoning and conjectures to guide decision making. Alright, and the number one pitfall is that our intuition can deceive us. Alright, oftentimes humans are pattern loving animals, and sometimes we can find patterns where there are none. Alright, and there's another reason for this, is that sometimes our senses make local comparisons first. Alright, so for example, here we see four pictures. And right away it says, make a conjecture about diagonal AB and diagonal BC. Well, just looking at these two, I mean, it looks like this line is longer than BC. So you might make the conjecture that AB is greater than BC. Sure looks like it to me. Right, and here it says make a conjecture about the circles in the center. Well, I would make the conjecture that it sure looks like this one is the larger circle. Oops, sorry. The larger circle. Alright, and again, that's what it looks like to me. Right? If I wanted to know for sure, I better pull out a ruler and see which one is larger. Is AB longer than BC? Is this circle really smaller than that circle? Right? The results might surprise you. Right? Taking a look at these bottom ones. Right? It says make a conjecture about the lines. Well, I assume they're talking about these lines here, and it sure looks to me like the lines are curved. All right, it looks like there's a ball bulging out there. So I might make the conjecture that the lines are curved. I don't know that. Again, I'd have to take out a ruler and see, are those lines really curved or are they not curved? Right? The second one, or this last example, says make a conjecture about the number of triangles. Sure looks to me like there are two triangles. Now right away you might spot the fallacy in that, because there really aren't two triangles, because there's no line segments enclosing anything. And so our perception and our senses sort of tell us that, well, it looks like there's a white triangle here with a white outline and a red triangle with a red outline, but really, by the definition of the word triangles, there's none. Alright? And so today you guys are going to work on an assignment exploring some common misconceptions and pitfalls in making conjectures on page 17, numbers 2 and 3.